In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradervue Average Win Loss. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find these metrics in Tradervue and how to interpret them so they actually inform your trading decisions. First, log into your Tradervue account. Once you're in, head straight to the Reports section. This is where Tradervue pulls your trading history together and turns it into clear performance insights. Inside Reports, select the Detailed view. Think of Detailed as the command center for deeper analytics. It's designed to show you not just what happened, but the shape and quality of your results over time. At the top of the Detailed report, look for the Statistics table. Front and center, you'll see two key metrics: average winning trade and average losing trade. These are the average profit per winning trade and the average loss per losing trade, calculated from the trades you've actually closed. Tradervue only uses closed trades here, because open positions can still change and would distort the averages. So if you just exited a position, give it a moment to be reflected. If you have open positions, remember, they're intentionally not included in these numbers. Here's how to make sense of what you see. Average winning trade tells you, on average, how much you make when a trade works. Average. Losing trade tells you, on average, how much you give back when it doesn't. The relationship between these two is critical. If your average win is consistently larger than your average loss, you have more room for error with your win rate. If your average loss is larger, that's a signal to review how you're managing risk, where you place exits, or whether you're letting losers run longer than winners. Even without changing anything on the screen, simply noticing how these averages compare can highlight whether your strategy rewards patience on winners and discipline on losers. Keep in mind that extreme outliers can skew averages. One unusually large loss might pull the average losing trade down more than you expect, and one outsized winner can make the average winning trade look better than your day-to-day results. Treat these as clues to dig deeper into the trades that shape the numbers. Also, what you see reflects the data you've recorded and the range of trades currently in view. So consistency in logging your executions, fees, and exits helps these averages speak more clearly. To recap, log in to Tradervue, click Reports, choose the Detailed view, and check the Statistics table at the top for average winning trade and average losing trade. Remember, they're based only on closed trades, and they offer a quick, powerful snapshot of your risk and reward in practice. Use them to guide thoughtful adjustments and keep your edge sharp.